Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is adaptable. Let's discover what this valuable word means. Adaptable means being able to adjust successfully to new situations or changes. Adaptable people stay flexible, learn quickly, and perform confidently in different environments. Here's an example. She is highly adaptable and quickly learns new skills whenever her job responsibilities change. This means she adjusts easily to change and continues to perform well. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word adaptable? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon.